Your bank is quietly eating your money and you don't even notice.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Maintenance fee, bank charges, transfer fee. What if I told you there's a smarter way to save your money that actually goes it? Stay with me. Most people actually save their money in the bank account thinking it is very safe and secure. Yes, it is very safe and secure, but it is not adding to your money. The bank charges you for almost everything, at least 2,000, 3,000 naira. 3,000 in a year, that's about 36,000 naira going out of your pocket without doing anything for you in a year. Today, I'm going to tell you how to grow your money instead of saving your money in the bank account. Let's go. Buy NGX stock like Dangote companies, UBA, S Bank, MTN, Boa Cement, and you go as the company goes. That's perfect move. And the second one is buying gold. Gold is the oldest way of holding money. Everybody knows gold never depreciates, though it also depreciates, or at least it appreciates almost every year. And the third one is mutual funds. It is very low risk. It is just pulling of your money with a group of people like the professionals, and they help you invest in fast-growing companies. Yours is just to go with them. Then save your money and grow your money alongside. Unlike bank that charges you for holding your money. That's crazy. I am not saying you shouldn't have a bank account. I'm just saying you shouldn't put all your money in your bank account. Your money should be working for you, and the money that's supposed to be on your bank account should be your daily basics money. Hi, I'm Sulag Dino, and I talk about investments. Subscribe. You are welcome.